So as you can see, the smoke is kind of affecting the hike a bit. What's happening YouTube? The time is currently 4:23 AM. Seriously tired here. Just got up, made myself breakfast, made myself a coffee. Going to meet Chans now, then we're going to pick up Nick and I think Dre and hit the road to Sentinel Pass. It's about a 50-minute drive from here to Sentinel Pass trailhead. It's just right at Moraine Lake there where we've been before. The one issue we do have today is that it's really smoky. A lot of smoke's coming up from California and them crazy wildfires, so I don't know if it's going to be too smoky or not to actually do the hike, but fingers crossed it'll be okay. We're going to try it out anyway, so I'm going to do a bit of driving here, so I'm probably not going to be able to vlog, so I'll give you an update when we get to the trailhead. Lights action, baby. Lights camera action. We got Nick Borg, future Source Employee of the Year. We got Big Dre. And we got Chansey. What's happening? Just gotta point out here that Nick's got the slim cut jeans on for the hike. Sentinel Pass up here to the right. Here we go. Everything's a bit scarier without Big G's right hook. Luckily we got Dre and Nick on hand. Hey Bert!
You know, we're getting the hike going so far. It's just hopefully nothing bad happens, you know. We're just chilling, a little gassed. You know, life goes on. This is Big Dre just telling you guys, stay safe and always watch out for the white ham.
Just taking a quick break here. Nick, are the jeans holding you back?
Never the jeans.
Sweating buckets, big lad. Into this hike here, we kind of just nearly broke the tree line. As you can see, the smoke, I don't know if you can see that on camera. Smoke's relatively bad, but it's not discouraging us. We're going to push on anyway. One more thing I forgot to mention is that it's larch season, which is basically like just autumn, so the trees are all going yellow, so that's pretty cool, so keep an eye out for that.
I don't even know where's part one.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, come on now.
And it's still about the Benjamins, big face hunters and whatever others in a backpack. Ice chain, Cardi lands in a knapsack.
It's a pretty open hike, like there's no like steep ledges you can fall off. It's pretty cool. Feels like being in the Wild Wild West or something like that. Doing it for the gram, Nick.
Oh yeah.
He's got his jeans on, he's looking fresh.
For the photo shoot.
Getting them angles in.
That's it.
Here, I'm gonna get a couple more.
Are you getting back up?
Going just in my Calvins or what?
We got a proper photo shoot going on here.
Chance in my Calvins with that.
Jesus.
I got a couple proper ones. Sitting weird in mine.
For anyone wondering, I'll throw Dre's Instagram underneath in the comment section. What's your Instagram handle, Dre?
Just straight into Silva.
Dre in the silver.
Oh, a little jab step there.
So as you can see, the smoke is kind of affecting the hike a bit, but it's still pretty beautiful regardless. You just can't see as far as what you normally be able to see. You can smell the smoke too, like it's probably not healthy, it's probably not good for you. So we're making the descent now. Can see the trees a bit better, the large trees with the yellow and stuff. So that obviously only happens this time of year because it's coming in the autumn. But yeah, pretty good hike. Definitely not too difficult. There was a wee bit there at the end we could have pushed on and done, but it was kind of smoky and stuff, and we were happy enough with what we had done, so we just kind of turned around and headed back. But yeah, easy hike. Would recommend it to pretty much anyone. Not too difficult at all. Here's the world famous Lake Moraine. You've seen this one before. I've got a sunrise at Lake Moraine. If you want to check that out, I'll link it below in the description. Very smoky. Next washing his timbers for the night.
If I'm taking a pic, they gotta be a little shiny.
So yeah, you gotta walk by Lake Moraine to do Sentinel Pass hike, so I definitely recommend coming checking it out, either on your way up or on your way down. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Smoky day in Banff.